Hello, everyone. My name is Emma. Welcome to Slow English Story. Are you ready to hear my story? Let's begin. Mark, we are in Paris.
Yes, Emma, we are in Paris.
I am so excited. I cannot believe it.
I know, Paris is a beautiful city.
Have you been here before?
Yes, I came here 2 years ago.
Oh, really?
Yes, I know this city well.
That is great. You can show me everything.
Of course, I will show you all the beautiful places.
Thank you, Mark. I am so happy.
Me too, Emma. Let's go. Our hotel is not far.
Okay, let's go. Oh, Mark, look at the streets. They are so beautiful.
Yes, Paris is a very special city.
The buildings are so old and so beautiful.
Yes, many buildings in Paris are very old.
How old?
Some buildings are hundreds of years old.
Hundreds of years. Wow.
Yes, Paris has a lot of history.
I want to see everything.
We will, Emma. We have 5 days here.
5 days. That is perfect.
First, we go to the hotel. Then, we start our tour.
Okay, that sounds great.
Are you ready, Emma?
Yes, I am ready. Where do we go first?
First, I want to show you the Eiffel Tower.
The Eiffel Tower. Oh my goodness.
It is not far. We can walk.
Let's walk. I want to see the city.
Good idea. Follow me.
Okay, I am right behind you. Mark, look at that cafe. It is so beautiful.
Yes, there are many beautiful cafes in Paris.
Can we go inside?
Later. First, let's see the Eiffel Tower.
Okay. You are right.
After the tower, we can sit in a cafe and have coffee.
Oh, I love that idea.
French coffee is very good.
Really?
Yes, very strong and very good.
I cannot wait.
Almost there, Emma. Look. Do you see it?
Where?
Just ahead. Look up.
Oh my! Mark! Is that...
Yes, that is the Eiffel Tower.
It is enormous. I cannot believe it.
Beautiful, right?
It is the most beautiful thing I have ever seen. Mark, it is so tall. How tall is it?
It is about 330 meters tall.
330 meters? That is very tall.
Yes, it is one of the tallest structures in Europe.
When was it built?
It was built in 1889.
1889. That is so long ago.
Yes, more than 100 years ago.
And it is still standing. Amazing.
It is very strong and very famous.
Can we go inside?
Yes, we can go to the top.
To the top? Oh, I am a little scared.
Don't worry, it is very safe.
Are you sure?
Yes, I went to the top before. It is amazing.
Okay, if you say so. Let's go.
Come on, let's buy tickets.
Okay, but hold my hand. just in case.
Of course.
Oh, oh, wow. Mark, look at this.
Beautiful, right?
I can see the whole city. Everything is so small.
That is Paris, Emma.
It is incredible. I feel like I am flying.
I felt the same way the first time.
The river? What is that river?
That is the Seine River. It runs through Paris.
The Seine. What a beautiful name.
Yes, there are many bridges over the Seine.
I want to walk by the river.
We will. Tomorrow we can walk along the river.
I love it here, Mark. I really do.
I am glad, Emma.
Thank you for bringing me here.
Thank you for coming with me. Here we are, a nice little cafe.
Oh, it is lovely. I love sitting outside.
That is very French. People in Paris love to sit outside.
Really?
Yes, they call it cafe culture.
Cafe culture. I like that.
Bonjour, what can I get for you?
2 coffees, please, and maybe some croissants.
Of course, thank you.
Mark, what is a croissant?
It is a French pastry. It is soft and buttery.
Buttery? That sounds delicious.
It is very good, especially in the morning.
And now it is afternoon. Is that okay?
In Paris, you can eat a croissant anytime.
I like Paris already. Oh, Mark, this is amazing.
Good, right?
It is so soft and so buttery. I love it.
French food is always good.
I want to eat this every day.
You can. There are bakeries everywhere in Paris.
Every day. Croissants every day.
Every single day.
This vacation is perfect. Mark, I cannot find my phone.
What?
My phone. I cannot find it. It is not in my bag.
Are you sure? Look again.
I looked. It is not here. I think I lost it.
Okay, don't worry. Let's think. Where did you last have it?
I think. At the top of the tower. I took photos.
Okay, let's go back to the tower.
Do you think it is still there?
Maybe. People in Paris are honest. Let's check.
I hope so. All my photos are on that phone.
Come on, let's go quickly. Excuse me, my friend lost her phone, maybe at the top.
What kind of phone is it?
It is white, with a small blue case.
One moment, please. Is this your phone?
Yes, that is my phone. Oh, thank goodness.
Someone found it and brought it here.
Oh, I am so happy. Thank you so much.
You are welcome. Enjoy your time in Paris.
Thank you. Thank you very much. What a day, Mark.
Yes, a very good day.
We saw the Eiffel Tower, we had coffee and croissants, and I found my phone.
A perfect day.
Well, almost perfect.
What do you mean?
I also lost my phone for 20 minutes.
True, but you got it back.
Yes, because people here are kind.
Yes, Paris is a kind city.
Mark, what do we do tomorrow?
Tomorrow we go to the Louvre.
The Louvre? What is that?
It is a famous museum, one of the biggest in the world.
Wow. What is inside?
Paintings, sculptures, and the Mona Lisa.
The Mona Lisa. I know that painting.
Yes, you will see it tomorrow.
I cannot wait.
And in the evening, we go on a boat on the Seine.
A boat? On this river?
Yes, you can see Paris from the water.
That sounds magical.
It is. I think you will love it.
I already love everything here. Mark, can I ask you something?
Of course.
Why do you love Paris so much?
That is a good question.
Take your time.
I think Paris makes you feel alive. Everything here is beautiful. The food, the people, the streets, even the air feels different.
The air?
I know that sounds strange.
No, I understand. I feel it too. And I have only been here one day.
Imagine how you will feel after 5 days.
I think I will never want to leave.
I know that feeling.
Thank you, Mark. Really. Thank you for this.
You are welcome, Emma. I am glad we came together.
Me too. Thank you for watching this story with me today. Like this video to support the channel. Subscribe for more slow English stories and daily English practice.